The Ninjago character display is a beautiful set, and priced amazingly all things considered. But I wouldn't call it perfect, as there's one thing that's been bothering many people, including me. The doors just have this weird gap in between them. It's really awkward. The Ninjago design team are very talented, but I have no idea how this was approved by them. So instead of letting it bother me, I came up with a fix for it. Step 1. Remove both doors. They come off very easily, so you don't have to worry about breaking anything. Then you'll need to remove these 2x1 slopes. And then you remove this 1x8. I accidentally tore off the whole top of the monastery, so I make it look hard, but that's because I had a tripod between me and the set, so I was kind of struggling. You should find it much easier. And then you'll be left with this frame. And now remove the side of the doors. We won't be using these parts again, so you can just throw them away. And then these are the pieces you're going to need. To make it easier, I will put the part list in the description. You put this open stud on the 1x1 snot piece. It should be placed under the gold stud facing downwards. And then cover using your 1x2 inverted slope. And then obviously you place it on the other side of the build. This is going to become a recurring theme. Your antenna goes into the 1x1 with a ring, and then you put a 1x1 clip on top of it. And then once that's done, you're going to make a mirrored version of this, both resembling huge golf clubs. Now you can just plot them onto the doors, and make sure to rearrange the dark red plate, and have the clubs face the right direction, otherwise it will be backwards. We're almost done. Now put these 1x1 clips onto the frame. These are relatively new pieces, first appearing last year, and I just really love them, they're so useful. And now for the final step. Put this 1x6 into the door to clean it up a little bit, and then you attach your antenna to the clips. Push it up until it's inside the stud. You can probably tell where this is going, so just do the exact same thing again but on the other side, and pushing it into the stud will hold it securely. Now the doors line up perfectly. Don't forget to add these curved 4x4s. I feel it really neatens up the back of the gate, and makes it more consistent with the front of course. And now your monastery doors are fixed, and it really makes a big difference. Now I can call this build perfect. You can of course open the doors, which I'm struggling with because there's a huge tripod in front of me. I also decided to keep these candles because to me it sells the idea of this monastery being a place where monks would worship. I hope you enjoyed my modifications to the monastery, and maybe I even encouraged you to do it yourself. Be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching.